I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Now search and select Action OneHash CRM. Give here the API URL. And give here the API key and API secret key. So go to your OneHash CRM dashboard. Go to Setting. Scroll down and click on API Access. Generate keys. Copy the secret API keys and API key and paste it on integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in Actions. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can use conditional logic for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to the OneHash CRM contact list. And you can see that the data came successfully in OneHash CRM. Thanks for watching.